Welcome. This is a simple web-based photo enhancer built using Flask and OpenCV. The app allows users to upload an image, enhances it using a filter, and then returns the enhanced version for download. The project is organized into separate folders for HTML templates, uploaded files, and processed outputs, keeping everything clean and manageable. So this is the folder structure of our photo enhancer project. At the top level, we have the main file, app.py. This is the core of the project. It's the Flask application that handles routing, image upload, enhancement using OpenCV, and returning the result back to the user. Next, we have the templates folder. Inside here, we store all HTML files that are rendered by Flask using the Jinja 2 templating engine. This is where the user interface lives, including the upload form and any styling with CSS. Then there's the Uploads folder. This is where uploaded images are saved temporarily when users submit them through the web interface. After enhancement, images are saved into the Enhanced folder. Flask then fetches the enhanced image from here and sends it back to the browser for download or display. Finally, there's requirements.txt. This file lists all the Python dependencies needed to run the project like Flask and OpenCV. It makes it easy to install everything with a single command using pip install-r requirements.txt.
Assalamu alaikum. Here is the Flask implementation of our project. So first of all, we have to import Flask library. We have to import request for user requests such as get and post, render template for HTML templates, and send file for sending output file to the user. Same, we have to import OS library for directories path and CV2 libraries for image enhancement. Here we are creating our new Flask app using app is equal to Flask name. Here name module is the name for our Flask app. So we are setting the directories path here. Upload folder is equal to uploads. As you can see, I have created the folder upload. So I am setting the directory path to uploads. And image enhanced folder. Enhanced is same. I have created the enhanced folder. So I am setting the directory path. Here we have applied the error handling. So if user have not created the folder, os.make directory will automatically create the folder and set the path to the folder. So here is the function of image enhancement. It will enhance the image provided by the user. So here is our main Flask app route. Here we have passed two methods, get and post. We have created the function index for proceeding. If request dot method is equal to post, it will see if user request method is post and user have uploaded the image. It will retrieve the image file name and save it in upload folder as I have set the directory path. So it will save the output file path as enhanced image to enhanced folder and save the file path. So I have called enhanced image function for image enhancement and return send file output path. This is for sending output files to the user. As I have enhanced image, so I am sending output file to the user. Here I have rendered the HTML template using index.html. I have created an HTML template in index.html. So I am rendering it for GUI, graphical user interface. So I am running the app using app.run, debug is equal to true. So this is my Flask implementation in the app.
Now I will talk about enhance image function. First, it takes two parameters, the path of the input image and the path to save the enhanced image. We start by reading the image using OpenCV's imread function. If the image fails to load, we raise a value error to handle the error. Now we apply OpenCV's detail enhance method, which improves the clarity and details of the image. We adjust the sharpness using sigma s and the smoothness using sigma r. Finally, we save the enhanced image to the given output path using I am right. The function is useful for giving your images a clear and more vivid
So
look.
our image enhancer project We used blue gradient background and flex box to center everything on the page. The main container has a white background, round corners, and a shadow. We used a darker color and a large font for the heading. The file input and buttons are styled with soft colors and hover effect to make everything more interactive. When an image is uploaded, it shows in a styled preview box with a border and a shadow. So the CSS makes this app look simple, responsive, and user-friendly.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing you a simple and clean project called Image Enhancer build using HTML and CSS and JavaScript for front end. The page has background and a white container using an upload an image. See a live preview and click the Enhance Now button. There also a loading spinner that appears when you submit the form. HTML is used to build the structure, headings, input, preview images, and buttons. We start. We start. And we start with the type HTML and HTML language English to define the page language and the document types inside and inside. Uh, and inside the head we set the page title and including all the CSS style directly using a style tag. The main content is inside the body. We have div with class container that hold everything. There is a heading, a form to upload a image and preview image, tag, a submit buttons and loading spinner. The input lets you choose an image and the JavaScript show a preview or form. On form submit, the spinner appears to processing.
Thanks for watching. This project shows how Flask and OpenCV can work together to build a simple, effective photo enhancer. A great starting point for anyone exploring image processing with Python.